Plug it in, plug it in. Christina's joke of the century.
What? What was that?
It was a pen.
Plug it in, plug it in. Tell the story where you're like 85. She was like, Christina's joke, because she kept on saying it all day in school. She said 75 times. It's still funny. 85 times later. Ha ha. Do it seriously like you did. Do it.
Oh yes, Christina's joke is so funny. It's like 75 times later. Funny. 88 times later. Ha ha. 97 times later. Oh my gosh, Christina, that is the funniest thing I've heard. 107 times later. Christina, will you please stop telling the stupid joke? 184 times later. Christina, shut the crap up. 198 times later. Christina, please shut up. 100,050,11,68 times later. Plug it in. Plug it freaking in.
Plug it in, plug it in.